Hello everyone. On this very auspicious day, I would like to wish a very happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful and wonderful mothers out there. Thank you so much for your love and support, especially to all the mothers who are viewing this video, and particularly to my mother, boy, Nanoliang may pui tingni. Rawang right nang ru khau, pingao, samngao, panti nung sing nang nung khau, siyam kai na. Dana, dilaw may sukanyo to. Thank you. Once again, I wish a very happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. May God bless you all.
Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers. You guys are doing really great. And don't forget that you are our inspiration and role model for us. Every time you are good. Stay home, stay safe.
Happy Mother's Day to my beautiful mom and to all the super mothers out there. Thank you, Mom, for facing all the difficulties and bearing all the pains just to make me happy and comfortable. Thank you, Mom, for your advice, for your comfort, for your prayers in my bad times and in my good times. Thank you, Mom, for your unconditional love. I love you more than words can say. May God continue to bless you with a very good health and a happy, very long, long life. Once again, Happy Mother's Day. Bye-bye.
A mother is your best friend and forever friend. Happy Mother's Day.
A mother's love is something that no one can explain. It is made of deep devotion and of sacrifice and faith. Mom, you have given me so much love from your heart and the touch of your warmth, the gift of life, and you're a friend to me. Mom, you are my biggest inspiration and influence. You mean so much to me. To the best mom in the world, Happy Mother's Day.
You're loved, you're appreciated, you're remembered. Wishing you a happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Stay positive.
Happy Mother's Day to the greatest mom. We don't say it enough, but we really appreciate all that you do for us every day. You are truly the glue that holds our family together. Happy Mother's Day to all the lovely moms out there. Stay home, stay safe.
Hi to all the beautiful mothers and soon to be mothers who gave us life and love. Wishing you a happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to all the lovely mothers. God bless you all.
My mother is my first friend, my best friend, and my forever friend. Happy Mother's Day.
Hi, happy Mother's Day, my mom, and to all the beautiful mother out there. I want you all to know that you're filled with grace, you're filled with love, and all your love have nurtured us, your beautiful daughters and sons, in a beautiful way. You have curved them in such a way that they are growing gracefully in their own amazing ways. And I'm thankful for all the beautiful mothers out there for their unfailing love to the children, and especially my mother. I want to thank you for giving me everything I need, even without the needs that I ask from you. I want you to know that I love you. You are always amazing. You are my best friend to talk to with any topic, anytime, anywhere. I would always run to you, and you know that, and you know my weakness, you know my strength. You are amazing. You are my best friend. You are my father. You are my mother. You are everything to me. You're the only persons that I can run to whenever I'm having a good day, a bad day, and you are always supportive. You are amazing. You taught me to be independent. You taught me to stand firm in my own way, even at my darkest hour. I thank you for you in my life. I thank God for you in my life. I want you to know you are amazing, you are beautiful, and you are filled with grace in your life.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.
Hi, happy Mother's Day, Mom. Thank you so much for looking after us so well. It's always not easy, I know. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Bye.
Hi, I am a strong girl because a strong woman raised me, and I wish you all a very happy Mother's Day. Stay safe. Saranghe.
A very happy Mother's Day to all the greatest mothers in the world, sending lots of love, peace, and blessings to every mothers watching this. God bless you all.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers watching this. God bless you all.
If you're watching this, here's to your mom and to all the super mom out there. You are beautiful inside and out. God deserves to know that you are His perfect creation on earth, and you deserve to receive our love, our appreciation, and prayers, not only today, but always and forever. Vui quay nó ta, suy yam dong mai sự điều anh nhiều quay nó rồi nhiều tập bài nên gì anh này. Happy Mother's Day, peace.
Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mommy. God bless you. You. Happy Mother's Day.
You are an inspiration to all of our entire family, sharing your kind and caring spirit with everyone around you. Wishing you a day filled with everything you love. Happy Mother's Day to all my beloved mothers out there.
Happy Mother's Day.